Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm showing you the 2025 Harris Cruiser 230. This is going to have the flat black panels with the flat black rub rail. Start back here. The bimini has plenty of coverage through your seating on board. You have your safety chains and your bumper holders in the back. This one is paired with the Mercury 250 engine. Does come with the new lily pad ladder as well. Walking up, plenty of seating on this 230 for all your family and friends. This is called the center walkthrough. Coming to the helm here, you do have the Simrad screen, JL head unit, phone charger there as well. Massive in-tune storage. Plenty of seating in the bow here as well. Phone chargers down next to the cup holders. The storage is a dry storage, so no waves can get your stuff wet. Again, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. This is the 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser. Come check it out.